Are you getting ready to have a court battle? Then you need to understand the 6 phases of litigation. Here they are. First, before you file that lawsuit, you could try to settle the case, or your attorney can send what's called a demand letter. A demand letter basically articulates your position in the case and demands that the other side adhere to your wishes and pay you or do for you what you're trying to get if you were to file the lawsuit. You may get fortunate and be able to resolve the case just through the demand letter phase. If you can't do that and you have to file the lawsuit, that is the pleading stage, where the pleadings are drafted, where you file your lawsuit, or if you're a defendant, you file your answer to the lawsuit, and that's that phase. After the pleading phase, you go to the discovery phase, and that is where each side has the ability to gather information to support their case. You may subpoena documents, you may take a deposition, you may do anything you want to gather all the information that you need to help support your case. After that phase, then you go into what we call the motion phase. Sometimes when you ask for documents or try to get the other side to make statements in a deposition, the other side objects, and one of the parties may need to file a motion and ask the court to make rulings about certain things that the parties are doing in the discovery phase. If you get through the motion phase, then you get to the phase where maybe you want to talk potential settlement. After you've done discovery, gathered your information, that is a good time to try to convince the other side that they're going to lose the trial. And so you may want to go to mediation and try to get the case resolved at that point. If that doesn't work, now you're ready for trial. And you need to get ready for trial because that is your opportunity to win your case. After the case, if you don't win, or even sometimes if you do win, the other side may want to appeal the case, or you may have an opportunity to appeal. And then you have to then wait for the appellate court to make a decision on the case. But those are the phases of litigation. So make sure you're ready because it could be a process.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like tag below and follow us for more information.